Ako si Doc Rob, chiropractor dito sa Pilipinas. Alam nyo ba ang frozen shoulder is extremely common, especially as we age. And I know how frustrating it can be. The pain, the stiffness, the limited range of motion that makes even the simplest things like reaching overhead or behind your back feel impossible. But the good news is, with the right exercises done consistently, you can regain your mobility and get your life back. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the top 5 exercises to improve frozen shoulder, all based on kinesiology, physical therapy principles, and real clinical results. So let's dive in. Okay, the first frozen shoulder exercise, pendulum swings. This is a great way to start to get movement in the shoulder, especially when it's the beginning and quite painful. You're gonna lean forward, you're gonna let the affected shoulder drop down, and you're just gonna gently swing. You're gonna do clockwise, and then you're gonna do counterclockwise. Start off for 30 seconds each direction, and you're gonna ultimately work up to 1 to 2 minutes. This is great at the beginning when your shoulder's quite painful, that capsule is stuck. So we need to get that proper alignment with the pendulum swing. And you can do this 1 to 2 times a day. Okay, exercise 2, finger walks. Raise your arm a little bit before the pain begins, and you're gonna slowly walk your fingers up the wall. You're gonna get to the area where you can tolerate the discomfort, and you're gonna hold that position for 10 seconds. You're gonna then walk back down the wall, okay? And then you're gonna walk back up, getting to that area where you have some discomfort, holding for 10 seconds. You're gonna walk back down, you're gonna walk back up, and yeah, you're slowly trying to get a little bit higher. And every day you do this, you should be able to get a little bit higher. Consistency is key, and you just want to slowly start to improve that range of motion. So wall walks, finger walks. The third exercise is the towel stretch. One thing that has become very difficult for a person with frozen shoulder is basic daily tasks like getting ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the good arm over the head, and the bad arm is going to hold the opposite end of the towel, and you're going to stretch, pulling the affected arm up, trying to increase the range of motion. So you can do that, hold that stretch for like 10 seconds, and you're going to repeat that 5 times. So the affected arm is the one you're pulling up, trying to increase the range of motion. Hold for 10 seconds, so do it 5 times. Number 4 is a crossbody stretch. So let's take the affected arm, say it's the right arm, you're gonna bring it like this, where you have some discomfort, you're gonna bring the good arm, and you're gonna kind of force it a little bit closer to the body, stretching for 20 to 30 seconds. Doing this 3 to 5 times. As you get better and more comfortable, you can increase to 5 times, holding for 20 to 30 seconds. You can also do the other arm as well, just so you have nice balance. Cross body stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Exercise 5, external rotation stretch. We are going to find a pole, or you can use the doorway. You're gonna get nice and straight up against it, 90 degrees, elbow at the side, and you're gonna do this external rotation. So you're just externally rotating the capsule, which has become stuck. That is frozen shoulder. So you're holding for 20 to 30 seconds, repeating 3 to 5 times. So as you advance, you can get up to 5 times, holding for 30 seconds, doing an external rotation stretch. This is great for capsular adhesive, such as frozen shoulder. So again, like this, externally rotate, hold for 30 seconds. So here's my final thoughts. A couple things to remember. Do these exercises once or twice per day, but listen to your body. Mild discomfort is okay, sharp pain is not. Consistency is key. You're retraining your shoulder to move again, one day at a time. And for the best results, combine these exercises with regular chiropractic care to address underlying joint and nervous system dysfunction. Frozen shoulder can take months to fully heal, but I promise you, if you commit to these movements and support your body's healing, you will improve. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's dealing with the same shoulder pain. If you're in the Philippines, visit one of our Doc Rob chiropractic clinics. Let's get you aligned and back in motion. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Dr. Rob. Stay strong, stay consistent, and stand tall.